Vegetables Flashcards Vocabulary, brought to you by American ESL for You. Please repeat slowly. Carrot. The carrot is orange. Carrot. Potato. The potato is brown. Potato. Tomato. The tomato is red. Tomato. Onion. The onion is white. Onion. Broccoli. Broccoli is green. Broccoli. Zucchini. Zucchini is green. Zucchini. Lettuce. Lettuce is green too. Lettuce. Avocado. Avocado is a green fruit-like vegetable. Avocado. Corn. Corn is a yellow fruit-like vegetable. Corn. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable. Spinach. Cabbage. Cabbage is green and healthy. Cabbage. Kale. Kale is leafy, green, and healthy too. Kale. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is white and delicious. Cauliflower. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are small and green. Brussels sprouts. Peas. Peas are small, green, and yummy. Peas. Green beans. Green beans are green. Green beans. Bell pepper. Bell peppers are colorful and sweet. Bell pepper. Pumpkin. Pumpkins are big and orange. Pumpkin. Celery. Celery is green and fresh. Celery. Mushroom. Mushrooms are healthy and delicious. Mushroom. So what's your favorite vegetable? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and good luck in your English studies. Keep enjoying your veggies. See you soon.